Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hannalei Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Stingrays, where there is oceans of opportunity, and part of the Vista Unified School District. I just got done sharing my heart for a first time this school year here in the MPR for the AM PM program, the students and staff that are a part of that. And it was a beautiful afternoon. They definitely touched my heart. Hopefully I touched a small piece of theirs. The main focus was a brand new topic in my series on citizenship. The sub-theme was at home, school, and community, meaning that we're all called to make a difference, not just here on the school grounds, here on campus, but where we live, where we reside, out in the community, whether it's volunteering, service projects, just making an impact in our neighborhood, wherever we travel to, any area of our life and with anyone in our life. There's always this chance for us to, uplift others or to bring them down. And it takes a very, very small amount of time sometimes to do that, or a certain action if we choose to do that, right? And so that's what I really tried to impart in their hearts, is like say, hey, the greatest gift we can give someone is our time, right? And like the time that you're taking to watch this video, the time I'm taking to record it, we can never get that back. That's why it's the most precious gift. But, we know that we don't want to waste our time either, right? And we do that by being great citizens, not just for this planet and the environment, and picking up trash and keeping things healthy as it relates to trees and just trash, everything around us. But we also are great citizens, amazing citizens, by helping our fellow human beings. And when we think about this too, it's something that it's heavy on my heart, because there's so many students out there that need that love, people in general. And if we can be that light to their heart, that's incredible. That ties into the concept that I bring up in every assembly too. Speaking of heart, speaking of our worth and our value, which is the lines on all of our hand, right? With the letter M, I trace mine here. That M stands for miracle. You have at least one in each hand. Upside down W is for worthy. That we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we truly believe this, now we can go out into the world and shine that light to others that are in need. A couple students approached me afterwards and just told me how they've, helped out some people that were homeless, people that are less fortunate, some of their friends that were really struggling. And to know that even at a young age that they're choosing to make this difference, it's very encouraging, right? For our youth to be doing this, to pick up that torch for change, want to be the change, want to go and lead the change. And, as it relates to citizenship, it's this idea too that we're trying to be 100% friends with everyone, be friends with them 100% of the time, not just when it's convenient for us, and that we try to include everyone, right? Even if they're different than us, they come from a different background than us. Sometimes we get a little bit jaded as it relates to how we're supposed to treat others from the influences around us, right? And we reflect, unfortunately, sometimes hate versus love. But we always have a choice, right? We always have a choice to use our time and our energy wisely, and to make sure that whatever we end up doing, that we're showing that respect, we're showing that kindness, we're showing that compassion, and choosing to spread it each and every day. And that's what citizenship really is at its core. So thank you for touching my heart. I had an amazing time again today. I'll be back 2 more times this school year. Until then, I want to hear some great reports on how you're being those amazing citizens that I know you're capable of being. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.